Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the PUBG Mobile 1.8 default graphics settings in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, finally I did install the PUBG Mobile 1.8 in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can clearly see, this is a PUBG Mobile 1.8.0 version. And let's see friends, what is the default graphics you can actually play in the Realme GT Neo 2. Whether the 90 FPS got unlocked or not, these are the few things which I'll try to discuss, because the Snapdragon 870 is a chipset, so which only I think in the Vivo X60 did get the 90 FPS, but in the iQOO 7 Mi Linux device Realme GT Neo 2 we didn't get any kind of 90 FPS. But let's see friends, with the latest version 1.8.0 whether we'll be getting any kind of default 90 FPS or not. Let me connect to the servers. So right now we are logging in friends, and we'll be able to see exactly what's happening with the default graphics in the Realme GT Neo 2, which I am very much interested to see whether the Snapdragon 870 got any kind of upgrade or not with the 90 FPS. So let me connect. So yeah, right now it's connecting. If possible, I'll try to show you the gameplay as well, but if the server is kind of okay. If there's any problem with the server, I cannot help you, but I'll try to show you at least the default graphics, what's available right now in this device. So let's go to the settings option first. Let's go. You can see the different kind of menu has been changed in the new type of new style we are seeing in the menu button. So let's click on settings, and right now the graphics has been moved down. So before it used to be slightly upwards, but right now it's kind of slightly downwards. Let's select the graphics, and right now unfortunately there is no 90 FPS. No, not at all friends. That's very sad to see, not having 90 FPS option. Balanced Extreme HD and Extreme HDR and Extreme Ultra HD is also supported, but I wish they could have included some 90 FPS at least in the PUBG 1.8, but that's not the case right now. And recently friends, I did ask few of my subscribers asking me to donate some amount to my UPI ID, because I don't get any kind of review units at this moment, so I need to buy a lot of other smartphones because of my honest and genuine reviews on the smartphones and extreme testings, which will include a lot of in-depth videos. That's the reason companies won't send me the review units. So I did ask few of my subscribers asking me to donate some amount to my UPI ID, and few users did donate to my UPI ID, and recently one of the subscribers also did donate. And thank you for Krishna to donating for me 151 rupees, and definitely any amount would be really great for me, because that helps me to buy new phones and give the really good honest reviews and content for all of the users. That's the main reason why I'm asking you guys. So otherwise I would not ask, because as I said, the companies they won't allow me to make genuine, honest videos and extreme testing videos. That is what I meant. So if I want to do extreme testing videos, I need to buy the smartphone. So that's the reason I'm unable to buy more phones nowadays. So right now I'm trying to use only 60 FPS, and it's taking a lot of time for the servers to get connect anyway. So it's gonna take plenty of time friends, because since this is a PUBG 1.8 version, so maybe the server issues might be there in the beginning. But I just want to give the basic idea what's going on with the default settings. That's what this video is about. And overall, till now there's no update with the 90 FPS unfortunately in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So maps are getting downloaded. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and this is a quick details on the default graphics settings only. Gameplay I'll try to plan very soon, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. I'll try to do the same kind of testing on the iQOO 7 device. iQOO 7 did partnership with the Battlegrounds mobile game, but I just want to see whether the iQOO 7 got updated or not. I'll try to upload the video as soon as possible. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.